Hey, it's Kirk, back for a bit of an impromptu video here. Super exciting to have a 2024 Cubcrafters Carbon Cub behind me with the brand new Rotax 916 ISC engine. This aircraft is straight out of the factory at the Yakima, Washington, where Cubcrafters are built. It's en route to Oshkosh. The Rotax engine needs a mandatory 25-hour inspection. It's essentially a 100-hour inspection, but they wanted it the first 25 hours. So they went ahead and dropped it off here with us. We're a Rotax independent repair center, so we're going to get this taken care of for them. But excited to show you guys how this whole process works.
Coeur d'Alene traffic back 1327 November, midfield left downwind 20 full stop Coeur d'Alene.
So, as I mentioned, we're an Rotax independent repair center. This plane is here for that 25-hour service, but I think it's a super cool plane. We're excited to show it a little bit. Just happened to show it here. So it's a 2024 Carbon Cub. It's the UL. So the UL is the light sport version. So it's 1320 gross weight. I was just reading some specs on it. This one has like 450 pound useful load roughly, but again, the big reason that it's here with us is the Rotax 916 Turbo. This is a brand new engine for Rotax. It's certified up to 23,000 feet. I was reading that it has full power up to 15,000 feet, so I can get super high density altitude. The pilot flying this said that she's seeing it true out as 140 knots, which this plane had the optional 29-inch Airstreak tires on it, and said that 2,000 foot a minute climb is pretty normal for it. So super cool aircraft. We're excited to have it here. As a Rotax repair center, we've got all the software to be able to plug into the plane and check all the different parameters. That's the cool thing about the fuel injected Rotaxes, is we can plug in and see everything if there's any fault codes or things like that. So the aircraft itself, a couple of the cool features that it has. Again, it's got the big 29-inch Airstreak tires. It's got the Behringer wheels on it, the Behringer brakes. This one has the exposed landing gear on it, which has stainless steel lines. Has the extended baggage, which gives you the baggage, the little access door there. So super cool aircraft. We're just excited to be able to be a part of its journey back to Oshkosh.